Hello, thank you for visiting our channel. So, samahan niyo ako ngayon dito sa St. John Town Center. Let's go, let's check one of the store na favorite kong puntahan. So, this one is the Altar Estate, which is, I really like their clothes. I sometimes find, dress na it's a good deal. Sometimes they offer 50% off and sometimes there are even 75% off. So, ayan, nakikita nyo ang ganda ng mga boots and bags. And then also, yung kanilang mga slippers and then sandals. I really like this place. Ito, kita nyo naman, it's not so very busy in this area. This is like a outdoor shopping mall. But hindi lahat ng store ay pinupuntahan ko. So, there are just certain stores na favorite ko talagang puntahan, kagaya nito. So, ayan, nagtitingin ako. Nandito ako sa mga sa sale area. So, I'm checking if there are some good finds. And then, not really like these slippers. I already have one that I bought before. So, ito yung kanilang mga intimates. They are actually made in the USA. So, it's really nice. So, ito, nagustuhan ko to. Actually, medyo malaki tong dress na to. But I really like the texture. So, kinuha ko pa rin kasi it's on sale. And sabi ko, i-fix ko na lang kung medyo malaki sa akin. But I'm still trying to find something na baka may iba pa na maganda. Ayan si Honey, pinocus pa yung bag ko. I really like this bag. It's matagal na rin yan sa akin. Parang 8 years na. Okay, so that's the one that I like. And then meron din silang mga fragrance candles. And then but we don't normally buy things like that. I really like those incense sticks na mas ginagamit ko. So, which I bought from Sprouts. Ito, boots, kung mapapansin nyo, kasi this is kind of like western style. Yung parang style ng mga cowboy. You have a cowboy hat and you have a boots, but you are wearing dress. So, mostly mga taga-Texas, ganyan ang style nila or outfit nila. So, ayan, ganda ng kanilang chandelier. So, yung mga light fixtures nila dito, and it really smells nice inside this store. So, may mga cups sila. This one says, I hope something good happens to you today. Ito yung mga hindi ito naka-sale. So, hindi naman ako talaga really in need to buy dresses. So, that's why hindi ako masyadong nagfo-focus dun sa mga hindi naka-sale. Tumitingin lang ako nung sale kasi kung may makita ko, then that's good. So, ayan. So, kinuha ko na siya. And then, I also bought one blouse. And then, ito, so I'm out there and let's go naman to the other one, which is etong Express. This one is also a nice store. I always visit this store too kasi sometimes yung clearance nila naka 50% off pa, just like today. Ayan, so ito pag hindi clearance, it's really kind of expensive. And of course, why buy those when sometimes you can find something that's really also in good condition and good quality dun sa mga naka-clearance nila. So, ito, that's for the men's section. And then, ito yung sale nila, which is right now, it's 50% off yung clearance price nila. So, I'm trying to see if there are some dresses na pwede sa akin. But, ayan, so yun yung mga dress. Pero masyadong mga malambot yung tela, I really don't like. And then also yung kanilang boots and sandals, ganun din, sobrang tataas ng tahong. I cannot wear that anymore because of the accident. So, yeah. So now, let's see this other which are not on sale to see if there's something that I can find or like. Pero wala din. So, the only thing that I was able to find in here is for my honey, which is pants. It was on sale. So, ayun, bit-bit ko na yung binili namin dito sa Express, which is for my honey na pants. Now, let's go to this Anthropologie, which is one also of my favorite. Actually, this is the second day of, shopping on this outdoor mall because we stayed in a hotel, which is Hyatt Hotel here in Town Center, St. John Town Center. And then I decided to go back the following day. It's just a walking distance. So, kaya iba yung outfit ko. So, this one, Anthropologie, also have some good finds sometimes. So, meron din sila sometimes sale. Sometimes yung kanilang clearance is also 50% off. So, that's why I also visit this section when I go here. So, ayan, ang ganda rin ng kanilang mga displays, ng kanilang mga, and it also smells nice inside this store. However, I did not find anything here na gusto ko at this time. Sometimes may nakukuha ko, but sometimes wala. So, it's alright. And then, ayan. So, yan yung mga sale nila. Sometimes it's 25% less the original price. This one is, I believe this one is on sale. And also, 50% off the clearance price. But as I've said, wala naman akong nakita na type ko. So, wala akong nabili today dito sa store na to. And then, I go for this Urban Outfitters, which is also one of my favorite store. So, let's go inside. Let's see if I can find something here. And then, so, ito yung inside ng Urban Outfitters. Dito, ang lalaki talaga ng store, ang lalaki ng space. Pero, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi busy kasi hindi talaga kagaya dyan sa Pilipinas na super busy ang store. Kumbaga, puno. Dito, okay na yung pag may nakita ka na 10 tao inside. That's really kind of, nice. But now, so I saw this apple green dress na it's also on sale. So, I get this one. Hopefully, bagay sa akin. And then, also, yung pang ponytail. I got 1, 2. So, ayan. That's how it is inside. So, merong mga, ito pang men's section ng mga t-shirts. Pero, si Honey kasi ang dami na ng t-shirts. So, hindi ko na siya kinuhanan dito. Ayaw rin naman niya. So, ayan. And then, also 50% off on clearance price. And then, ayun, let's go. I'm going to pay na for this dress. Ayan. So, si Honey panay ang video. Taking this video. It's really nice in this location. Ang isa pang maganda dito sa Urban Outfitters, every time you buy an item, there's a portion that goes to a specific charity, something like that. So, when you buy, you are also helping. And then, ito yung mga pang-display nila, which is really nice. Some bags, body bags, and then also yung mga shorts and blouse na intimate dresses. So, yan. And then, okay, it's time to get out of the store. Hindi ko bit-bit yung binili ko. Si Honey na ang nagbit-bit kasi medyo nahihirapan pa rin talaga akong maglakad. I don't want to ma-outbalance. So, ayan. Kaya meron pa nga akong cane. So, ayan. So, thank you so much for watching.